No, you're not.
Mason, you're not even gonna run for it.
I'm not even gonna run for it. Okay, here we go. You gotta push this big button at 1, okay?
Okay, this is.
Say 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it. Not going.
Don't.
Dud.
Hang on, Liz. I'll fix it.
Here, watch this. Here, watch this. You want to see the spin? Woo! Now you want to get my shoulder?
Hey. Hi.
Want to get my
Fish shirt down.
I just did a dead rocket. What are you doing, dude?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna give it to Nivea. No, so he's gonna run to the rocket, and then he's. Watch out! I don't want to hear the voice. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. More. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
I wish I was taking this picture right now.
Okay. You ready? Let's try it one more time. Come here.
Let's do this.
5,
Back up a little more.
4, 3, 2, 1. Nip, go get it.
Let's go get it.
No, Mason, let her down. Here it comes. Go, Nip, hurry. It's going to land right on top of us. Look up.
Yay!
Good job, Liz.
Good job, Liz.
Good launch, Liz. Okay. Bring it here. It's Mom's turn.
Can I push it?